So we're back and we got a Killstar package to unbox. Killstar. Let's get it open. Still like these when they give you a receipt in the bag. Oh, I don't know which one I want to open first. Let's do this t-shirt one. This is the Ring of Fire top in black, apparently. I got it in a 4XL because they've finally done the plus size and I just buy everything as big as possible. So let's sort out the hair and try it on. Alright, so we're back and this is it on. Shoulder bits. Actually fits alright, especially for a Killstar t-shirt. It's made out of a different material to their normal shirts. I definitely reckon that's a keeper. Let's see what else we got. Bits of paper. Ooh, it's going to need an iron. I hate ironing. Got an alright collar. It's not a very stiff collar. It's not going to stand up very well. Oh, look at the buttons. Upside down. It's an upside down cross. Let's see what this is like with one of these. It does do up, and that's it. Look at the sleeves, the buckle. But they come down like that. And you roll them, and then suddenly a hell of a lot shorter than you'd think they would need to be. Especially for my long ass arms. But it's alright length. Used to fit alright. I didn't realise it had the little pocket. Yeah, it's all pretty good haul from Killstar. All from the plus size men's section because I'm a plus size man, apparently. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, all of that, and see you in the next one.